Hello. I hope you are all having a good day, and thank you for coming and viewing my channel. And I just wanted to put this on here real quick. I will be adding to this video a little bit later because I think it's important for me to tell people a little bit more why I'm taking this challenge, why I'm publishing this on my YouTube channel. And it's just, it's just simple things. And I think keeping things simple is important. This is my first meal of the day, and it's 3:24 in the afternoon. And other than my drink, this is all I've had for today. And some water. I haven't even had coffee, which that's kind of bizarre. But it's just a very simple, natural peanut butter that's slipping out the bottom there. It's going to be messy. With some strawberry preserves. This is my lunch, well, it's a very late lunch. So tonight, the dinner I'm having is half of one of the bowls left of the scalloped potatoes with the ground beef and onions, and a half can of spinach. And since I had that peanut butter and jelly earlier today, I figured, just half of this. I ate it late. I don't want to eat too late. And it's interesting. What I really would like is a pizza, but that's not in the cards. I don't even have any of that in the house to heat up. But that's okay. This is going to be really, really good. And this is part of my money saving strategy. I'm eating the things that I have in my house. And I needed to do that anyway, as I think I've said before. And the starchy things, I'm trying to get rid of those things first too, because at the same time I don't want to gain weight, I want to lose weight. So since I had the peanut butter and jelly earlier on the bread, I figured this is good, just half of that. And it's early enough, it's about 7:30. And so it's good, and then that's going to be dinner. I think that it's important to use this opportunity to utilize what I do have in my home and save money. It's another rainy day. This is the next day I didn't put the other video on my YouTube yet because I wanted to add more information. But this is the last of the au gratin potatoes with the ground beef and onion and some spinach. And so I'll be working on other things. But this actually was very good. Oops, sorry about that. And really like the flavor of it. I did add a little cayenne pepper to it and paprika to spice it up a little, and white pepper too, now that I think about it. And so I'm going to have this and then get to work on a couple of other things. The rotten thing is that my lovely control panel from my water heater won't come back on. I don't know why. My friend who does RV work and so on has a funeral today, so he may not be able to get here. But in the meantime, I'm without hot water. It'll be all right. But just another challenge to the water heater and RV living.